Hello, I'm Fabienne Chaplet, CEO of Mathedu, and I will invite you to a fantastic journey into practical mathematics, the math that are taught from a practical point of view based on Python coding sessions. The starting point of that journey is the natural integers, the numbers we count with. In the course Constructing and Comparing the Natural Integers, you will discover how rich these simple numbers are as far as they consist in an increasing sequence from 0 to infinity. By the end of that course, you will be able to compare two natural integers, to order a list of them, and even to define and draw a sequence of natural integers. You will learn it in a very progressive way, starting from practical tips illustrated by animated graphics and going to rigorously proven theorems in a recapitulative downloadable document that fixes and amplifies the content of the videos. And each video lecture is accompanied by a quiz in order to strengthen the knowledges. So, you want to enter the great world of practical mathematics with Mathedu? You want to do it progressively but deeply? You are at the right place. Enroll in Constructing and Comparing the Natural Integers. It's free.